Oh my god, we have a new bag of spinach.
If you want to make a sprout on the bottom, you cut the top so it will fill in the bottom.
Start on the bottom and we get a little higher.
Exactly, just like that.
Looks good. This is such a big breakfast, but so healthy at the same time.
It got me thinking like this whole fitness trend. I mean, it's healthy on the facade, but mentally it's really unhealthy. I mean, I was one of those who were doing all the workouts and then feeling guilty after workout if I get something unhealthy or something guilty pleasure. If you want to eat something that you really crave and you desire to eat, you categorize it, you label it as a cheat day or a cheat meal. Since when does food become a sin? On the day that I'm on diet or fasting, it always worked really well. Nitpicking myself, I shouldn't eat this, I shouldn't eat that, and I should cut down my portion. I don't even binge eating. Consider myself eating pretty healthy. Where I'm on a diet or I'm on a workout streak, I find myself treating myself like shit. I thought the whole working out process should be healthy for you, but then if it has to cause some sort of sickness in my mind, then it's not healthy. I'm not gonna be dieting my whole life. It's just impossible. It's just not the most proper way to live, I think.
And I will criticize myself even more every time getting off a diet. I will see the weight that I lost or back, or doesn't matter how many hours I put into this fitness workout routine, I'm just not getting the body shape that I desire. It's just because my body type is different than the ones that you see on social media. Oh, it's shredded. I'm just not a shredded person, and I don't want to give up so many good things in life just to get to that body shape and then post a photo on Instagram. It's just bullshit, and I hate bashing myself for not achieving the body type, the body shape that I desire, because it's just not for everybody. I am eating semi-healthy. I am not always on fried food or sugar. I do eat a lot of sugar, but I'm not obese. I'm healthy, and I'm happy with whatever food I have in my plate, and I think that should be it, right? So, yeah, it's just a thought.
Guess what I was trying to say is that we, as a collective living society, we need to recalibrate what it means to be healthy. It's not just about a nice, perfect toned body. It's more of what's in here. And that's just my 2 cents that nobody asked for.
No. Okay, Freddy, ready?
Freddy ready.
Let's go. Oh.
Trying a Japanese sushi restaurant today.
Why, there's also German sushi?
This is maybe Chinese sushi.
Okay.
Different color cab soy sauce or different sodium is bullshit. Just first world problem.
Japanese food in general is more fancy. It's like a fashionable. So if you put Chinese food, nah, you won't sell it. But if you put Japanese, maybe people come around and see you. So 99% of sushi restaurants in Italy are run and managed by Chinese.
On top of that, how do you tell they're Chinese? They have fake flowers.
Okay, want this one?
Better than I expected.
It's way better than the bullshit sushi that went with Billy, which is the Sakura.
If you see a name that's Sakura something, don't go. Wasabi for Europeans is still a acquired taste.
Your mother's not quite good, man.
You want to talk about mothers? Your mother. I shouldn't talk about your mother. Ciao, Camilla. Hi, time to eat.
Camila.
Christmas lights are on. Merry Christmas!
Yay! It doesn't open it.
I know.
Posso testar it? I was reading the